Albert II, the first ever monkey to land on the moon. Later was the first ever dog to be on the moon. Go. Hello, America. I am hoping by the 70s to land the first ever man safely on the moon, because we have a space race against Russia. We need a very experienced astronaut to send to outer space to land on the moon and win the space race after all this time. Hello, Mr. Kennedy. I would like to put my hand up to go to the moon for the first time ever. This man here was the first man to go to space, but he was only there for 2 hours and never reached the moon. 3 years later, here I am. Please will you send me to the moon? Me and 3 other men would love to. We have trained and trained. Here we go.
Doesn't work.
Oh, I'm recording. Go. No. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. America win the space race. Here we go home. Go. We did it! America won the space race! Hooray!